We order in Amazon shoes for her. Somebody already tried to take them.
Well, the shoes are very important because it's now summer.
I like them what they have a two stripes.
He has two straps holding on the
Yeah,
paw.
but I don't like it what they are short. I don't know why they're all made like this. If they was more taller, it was better because it's like now what if she's pupa.
Yeah, well, the problem with the boots is they always slip off when she walks.
Good girls. Good girls. Good girls. Little bit big. Two.
They looks very good. Yeah. Yeah. Can I see it? Yeah, it looks good. A little bit bigger here. But you're skinny lady. Now we will try different brand. Oh, they're so cute, but now I'm afraid that they don't be small on her. It's just size, but so light, nice, so soft, yeah. After when you touch, like
They were stiff.
yeah, they're stiff. This one's soft. I don't know. When you touch, I like this one brand, but I don't know. It's need to ask Tiffany. Yeah, Tiffany, come here. So let's try. Looks more here. Okay. Oh, they do have a stripe. This color. No color, they have a different color, I'm sure. And Tiffany, come here. You like on a heel sound. Yeah. Oh, so you can show how you jump. Oh, yeah, of course. Oh, of course, your favorite. What's the... Oh! You see, Tiffany? You have your dolls? Oh, you like them? You like them?
Well, with shoes, they're just like with people. You never really know on a dog if they're going to fit until you actually try them on.
Yeah. And how she feel, yeah.
Yeah.
And of course, all individual, like, it's very unspecial for animals like made. It's,
Yeah, but what's important is that as she walks, that they don't slide off.
of course, I very like them, and it's really hard to find something. We have before like from PetSmart, yeah, and we very like them. It's just like it's similar, and I really like this one. I think with this it's the best because we try socks, and they always slide. I mean, maybe for a little dog, but for big dog. For walking, yeah, it's best like this type, something like
they
this.
move quite a bit when they're a big
Yeah, they
dog.
really, because we try many different, we try socks, and I dress my dog since she was puppy, little, and now she's 2 years. When we was in Las Vegas, and it was very hot, like 100, yeah,
100 degrees. You're there
yeah,
in
110. Yes, so you very needed this. You very need it. It's good to have this, of course.
summer. You don't want to burn the paws.
Yeah. So for like this.
Safety harness.
Safety harness for the car. with my favorite plaid. I very love plaid. Interesting.
There's a picture of how it looks.
Okay. So we,
It's like that, I think.
yeah, I think yeah. And here, this other. Can you do this? Okay, baby, and show me yourself. Oh, plaid. No, of course it's neither adjusted. Yeah.
This one has a lot of adjustments on it.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, and I very love it here. The part design, amazing. They have a different color, but I'm crazy about plaid. Yeah, Tiffany.
So this is the strap. That's gonna go there, and then this goes into
Yeah.
goes into the seat.
Yeah, we will after show. Yay! Yeah, of course you adjustable here. So